iPhone not showing notifications after iOS 26 update. Try this now. Imagine this, you update your iPhone to iOS 26, excited to try the new features. But then, something strange happens. Your WhatsApp messages? Silent. Instagram alerts? Gone. Even calls and emails, no notifications at all. Suddenly, you realize you've missed important updates because your iPhone just stopped notifying you. Don't worry, you're not alone. Many iPhone users are facing this exact issue after updating to iOS 26. The good news is, I've got you covered. Let me walk you through some simple but powerful fixes that can bring your notifications back to life. First, check if focus mode or do not disturb is accidentally enabled. Believe it or not, this is the most common reason behind missing alerts. Just a quick toggle can fix it. Next, head into notification settings. Sometimes after an update, apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Gmail lose their permissions. Go into each app, enable, allow notifications, and make sure banners, sounds, and badges are all switched on. Still no luck? Try turning off low power mode. When it's on, your iPhone tries to save energy by limiting background activity, including notifications. Another quick fix is to reset your network settings. Updates often mess with connections, and this simple reset can restore push notifications. And if one specific app is causing trouble, just update it from the App Store or reinstall it completely. Outdated apps sometimes can't sync well with iOS 26. Finally, don't forget, Apple often releases small follow-up patches after big updates. So check for the latest iOS 26.1 or security update. A quick install might fix everything instantly. By following these steps, you should start seeing your notifications again. No more silent iPhone. So tell me in the comments, which fix worked for you? And if you want more solutions for iOS 26 problems, make sure to check my other videos too.